Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we are making stuffed manicotti. Now, Edie makes this all the time at home. I don't know how old the recipe is. It's pretty standard as far as I can tell, but she makes it all the time at home, and for at least 3 years I've said, we need to make this in the Omnia. Today is finally that day. The recipe and all the links to the products you see me, Edie, using here will be in the description below. Do us a huge favor. The best way you can help our channel grow is to hit that thumbs up button. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the Little House of Beans on YouTube, which is where you're watching right now. And hit the notification bell if you'd like to be notified when I, Edie, put out a new video, most of the time every Sunday. Did you know we have a Facebook group? Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. Swing! And I, Edie, also have a cookbook. Outdoor Cooking with Edie, available on Amazon as a paperback or on our website, www.littlehouseofbeans.com. There you can get an ebook. Edie is ready to cook this stuffed manicotti. Let's cook!
Being creative. Obviously these manicottis are not going to stack and lay really nice as in a square or rectangle casserole dish. So let's try this. So this package of sausages had 5 links and it was roughly a pound point, well, it is a pound 0.19 or roughly 19 ounces, and I'll convert it, of course, in the recipe. So now I have 1 whole sausage link left. So I think I'm going to crumple it up in the dish and let it cook with the sauce and get all happy.